Tayo po ba'y binabawalan talaga ng Korte Suprema o tayo tinuturuan lamang kung paano maghain ng tamang impeachment complaint?
Before the Minority Leader responds, since the question of the Honorable Marcoleta is directed towards the action of the 19th as well as the 20th Congress, may we request the Senior Deputy Majority Leader to respond?
I be allowed to raise a point of order, Madam Speaker?
May we know the point of order of the Majority Leader?
Madam Speaker, the discussion has been towards whether or not the House can exercise certain powers, especially in initiating impeachment complaints. However, may I remind our members that we have a pending motion for reconsideration with the Supreme Court. Thus, we cannot discuss the same with finality this afternoon during the privilege. Our motion for reconsideration has been decided with finality by the Supreme Court.
Majority Leader, I believe the Honorable Libanan as well as the other members of the House are actually, we have 22 members listed for the privilege R.
That's right, Madam
Yeah,
Speaker.
so I believe a manifestation can be taken up at the appropriate time once the privilege R has been closed.
Madam Speaker, a manifestation would be in order. Let's allow the Honorable Marcoleta to finish his short manifestation before we conclude the privilege speech and refer the same to the Committee on Rules.
Speaker, sa pagtatapos po ng 2024, sinabi po ng ating mahal na Pangulo na ang impeachment ay hindi importante. Waste time on it. And despite the admonition of the President, the House, through one-third vote, transmitted the articles of impeachment to the Senate. Why didn't we heed the call of the President? Why did the HRR defy the President's pronouncement? Gusto ko lang pong malaman kung bakit gano'n. Parang hindi natin sinusunod ang mga pahayag ng ating Pangulo.
Before the Honorable Mark, please proceed.
Opo. At noong July 25, the Supreme Court, sabi nga nila, inilang diniklara ng articles of impeachment ay unconstitutional at void ab initio. At pagkatapos noon ay nakarinig tayo ng mga pahayag mula sa House members na tila bagat tinatakot ang ating mga maestrado na pwede kayong ma-impeach din tulad ng Vice President. And despite the motion for reconsideration submitted, the Supreme Court, through a press briefer, reiterated that the decision is immediately executory, notwithstanding the MR. And the Senate accordingly adhered to the decision by archiving the articles of impeachment. So ang tanong ko lang po why the continued defiance on the part of the HOR? Parang tayo po ay tila nagmamatigas. Samantalang ang Korte Suprema at ang ating co-equal body ng Senado ay tumalima na sa sinabi ng ating Korte Suprema. Alam naman po natin that the Supreme Court is the final arbiter on all disputes and controversies pertaining to constitutional issues. And the decisions released by the Supreme Court form part of our legal framework, form part of our legal system sa ating bansa. Dapat po natin galangin ang ating co-equal branch. Sinabi din po ng Pangulo sa isa sa kanyang mga panayam at huli-huli sa kanyang sona na ang Pilipino ay sawa na sa sobrang pamumulitika. So, buti pa ang ating Pangulo aware dito. Kamakailan ay meron pong ibinalita na meron na naman pong Quadcom version 2.0. Alam naman po natin ang Quadcom ay nagagamit bilang political persecution more than a tool for legislation. At pinakita pa nga po ng Quadcom sa kanilang performance last year that it assumed judicial and prosecutorial roles which is beyond the ambit of its legislative function. Mr. Speaker, the continued defiance of the House of Representatives has been truly remarkable. Sana naman po ay baguhin na natin ang ating estratehiya. Sa akin lang naman po. Dahil ako'y miyembro ng 20th Congress, bakit hindi po natin baguhin or reassess ang ating strategies? Kaysa bumabakbak tayo ng bumabakbak ng ating political adversaries. Bakit di na lang po natin galingan? Total, meron naman po tayong 3 taon pa para ipakita na tayo ay mahusay din sa pamamalakad. Ang akin lang naman po, ang this administration has been characterized by, treating its political adversaries na pag malakas ang kalaban, i-disqualify, i-expel, i-impeach, or i-threaten na i-impeach. Bakit hindi lang naman po natin galingan? Meron pa lang po tayong 3 taon. Maraming salamat po.